Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Diana Loves Colors. Thanks for coming today to see lot 4 of the special shaped diamond paintings that I am selling. So this is my email here. It will be on the screen, probably in the description box and in a pinned comment. Please email me if you're interested in this lot, because it will be first come first served, and I'm using PayPal, but if you have another form of payment, I will try to work with you and see if we can do that. So this first one is from Fan Cells, and it was $6.99 in September of 2020. Goes back a ways, and it's this cardinal sitting on the branch with the berries and the leaves. The whole background is also diamond painted with, there's going to be 17 different shapes and sizes and colors of drills. And here it is here, and I don't know why I have it in this bag. I know I probably showed it on my channel back then. And so that's what goes to it. There's lots of beautiful big ones in here too, like this. Let's see. I'll just show them to you. Why not? Alright. There's so many. Let's see. We have some black drills. Some, like, amber colored. Yeah, amber colored. There's green. This iridescent blue. That's so beautiful. We have red and another red. Those are the same. You get 2 packs of them. We have this green for the leaves. Then this iridescent marquee. These half pearls that are blue and iridescent. We have these round ones that are faceted. These teardrop ones that are pink. Then we have these, they almost look like scallop shells, but they're teardrop shaped. And then we have these cool purple ones that go on the berries, I think. And then red ones for the berries. This is for the background. There's 3 big bags of those clear crystals. And then there are 3 big bags of these larger crystals. You'll always have leftovers. And this was, oh, I already told you, never mind. So I'll put those away in a second. This next one is from DIY Choose, and I'm pretty sure they're out of business now. Some of you may remember them from back in the day. Oh, I didn't write the price, but it was in January 2021, and it's this cabin here with the smoke coming out. This entire thing is covered with 15 different shapes, colors, and sizes. And let's see. Nope, it's not that one. I think it's this one. Yeah, this is the bag for them, for this one. And again, it's entirely covered with these beautiful gems. Okay, this one was from Amazon in February of 2022, and it's this kind of waterfall. And again, this entire thing is covered with 12 different shapes and sizes. Here are the drills for this one. Lots of blue, lots of different sizes of blue. This one was from DP Clubs in August of 22. It was $7.79, and it's this colorful owl here. And this is entirely covered, 17 different colors and sizes. And here are the ones for that. And I've been keeping these nice and flat in a portfolio and storing these separately, and that's why um, I always wrote the number that matches it from the top. So there's that, and now we have a peacock, and this has 11 different colors and sizes and shapes, and here are the ones for that. This looks like it'd be really fun to do, and I know some of my friends with Paint with Diamonds just had a peacock event, and there are special drill events that go on all through the year. I know a friend that does 2 of them a year called Smash the Specials, and I can alert you to that. I know it is in August, and I forget the other month, but there are 2 different months that they do that, where everyone just does special drill projects. So that is lot 4. It is $25. It is free shipping. These are all full drills. There are 5 of them. And I will put in a mystery gift for this lot too, like I did with all the others. So please contact me by that email, and we will get you your diamond paintings to you. So thanks very much. I believe lot 1 and 2 have sold. I'll be putting up videos for lots 3 and 4 today. So thanks. I'll see you next time with something new.